Hello there. This is the most distant quasar, powered by a black hole with a mass of 2 billion suns. This quasar is the most distant yet found and is seen as it was just 770 million years after the Big Bang. It took 12.9 billion years for its light to reach us. This object is by far the brightest object yet discovered in the early universe. This is how Parker's solar probe passed through the Sun's outer atmosphere, the corona, for the first time in April 2021. The boundary that marks the edge of the corona is the alpha critical surface, between 10 and 20 solar radii from the center of the Sun. Inside that surface, circle at left, plasma is connected to the Sun by waves that travel back and forth to the surface. Beyond it, circle at right, the Sun's magnetic fields and gravity are too weak to contain the plasma, and it becomes the solar wind, racing across the solar system so fast that waves within the wind cannot ever travel fast enough to make it back to the Sun. In December 2021, ExoMars Trace Gas Orbiter has spotted significant amounts of water at the heart of Mars' canyon system, Valles Marineris. This video shows Mars transitions from a wet planet 4.5 billion years ago to the dry world that we see today. This visualization shows the atmosphere in 3 dimensions and highlights the accumulation of CO2 during a single calendar year from June 1, 2020 to July 31, 2021. The graph on the left shows the amount of carbon dioxide measured in parts per million. Every year, the world's vegetation and oceans absorb about half of human CO2 emissions. However, around 2.5 parts per million remain in the atmosphere every year, causing a steady upward march in concentrations that scientists have tracked since the 1950s at surface stations.